I lost. The council voted, but I lost.
Sweetie, you never had a prayer.
It's not funny, Mom.
Look, when you got to the part about leaping and laughing and weeping and dancing, which I love, don't get me wrong, I saw the face of the town council, and I promise you, Sean Moore had those votes locked up before you walked in here tonight.
You think he told them how to vote?
You can still sound shocked. I love that about you.
But he's a man of God.
He's a man, and you were railroaded.
Damn, that pisses me off.
Good. Now listen, Reverend Moore said he'd reconsider only if someone convinced him that there was no danger in your ruckus party plans.
Ruckus? Party plans? Did you believe these people? I mean, what?
Make him reconsider.
Me?
You.
And him?
Yup.
When?
Now.
But...
Brent!
Mom!
Stop! Until you do, you'll never make peace with that man or this town.
I didn't convince him in there.
He wasn't listening in there. Make him listen.
What can I say that I haven't said? I read my speech, I felt my Bible.
You did everything but speak from your heart.
Reverend Moore's a really smart man.
So are you.
He's stubborn.
And you're not? I love to sit here and watch, but I gotta go hose down your aunt and uncle.
Love you, Mom.
You have no choice. Now go.